You're now business-minded. Welcome to Trivia Alliance, and this is Ino. We will talk about how to start making a business. Okay, now before we start, I would like to mention my FB page, Next Gen Business Hub. Next Gen Business Hub is a business-oriented community, and I'm creating that page so that I can make a community of businesses that synergize each other. Walay membership fee, walay bayad, and all you have to do is to be a part of a business group that is committed to build each other. And I hope you like it, and unta ma-develop na to ang page. Sooner or later, it will be a successful page and you will be a successful member of Next Gen Business Hub. So i-consider na nimo nga magsugod ka og business gikan sa wala, out of nothing. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. More or less imo nang ma-take for granted. Naghatag na kag daghan effort then wala ka namuhunan. In the end, kung dili ka ganahan sa result, or the result is not preferable sa imong self or sa imong business, you will end up losing all your gut. Hindi na ka mag-start og business. And ako gusto maghimo business utro. Kung sa Bisaya pa, natagam ka. So, para dili na to na mahimo, atuan ang likayan. First, follow ni nga mga tips. Basic ideas lang ni siya. Wa ko na ingon nga master ko. So, ako lang is matagan to mo basic ideas o yung sa pug ko pagtudlo sa akong mga mentors. First is, you have to identify your customer. Yes, customers are very vital when starting a business. Customers is the buyer, your source of income. So, you have to identify customers. Na example, naghimo siya og sari-sari store. Wala man day mo palit. Or naay sari-sari store lain sa iyong palibot. Naghimo siya ice, example. So basic. Naghimo siya ice. Pero yung silingan, naay mga refrigerator, naay freezer. So, do you expect them to buy to you? Palit sila sa imo? No. Wala kay halin. Ikaw rin mo consume sa mga ice. So, that's it. Second, you have to connect with your customers. You have to find ways kung saan yung pag-connect sa imong customers. So una, if connect sa atong customers is house to house or good PR, kaya nimo sila istoryahon, maayo, so yun na. Maayo yung communication. Same ra gyapon sa karon. Pero karon naa lang tayo social media. Bulo ka friends nimo sa Facebook, Messenger, kaya nimo mag-connect. Pero unsa na nimo pag-connect, unsay mga teknika na, so syempre mag-discuss na lang tawo kontrol na sa specific na pamagi. Unsaon pag-connect more professional and more efficient way para sa imo. Third is design your concept. So, design the concept of your business. What is the figure of your business? Unsaon nimo nga magbalik-balik sila, ganahan sila, they will love your business in that way. Make them avail your business. Make your business look good. Design your concept. Mag-decide sila unsay lang product. Nayuban gusto Instagrammable, ma-post mo sa Instagram. So may na nga face sa imong product. Of course, na yung mga challenges so mo nang imong i-andamdaan imong kaugalingon kung unsa imong gustuhin mo sa imong product. So kung asa ka palit og product, di pa ka mahutdan og supply sa imong product. Unsa ang price sa imong product? Unsaon nila pag-avail sa imong product? So it's all about your product. We will discuss more of your product, labi na ang designing sa product. I will have some separate review and video para na for the product. Fifth is you have to make ads. Now you have your specific product, you have your specific design, concept, you have your specific customers. So karon na kay specific ads. Kabalo ka kung unsa imong ibutang dito. Kabalo ka unsa ang imuhang ibutang sa picture. nga katong imong customer mo attract padulong sa imuhang design nga concept o sa katong imong design nga concept, design sa imong store or sa imong page, magbalik-balik sila dito. So with that, nanaka-idea on saan pag-start og business. Just a rough idea para makahimo ka og business. We will not be successful overnight. Kinahanglan mag-effort ta. And also me, I'm on my developing stage. So I'm also learning. We are simultaneously learning with our page and with our business group. I hope nga makatabang ni parehas ako nga developing stage gyapon. So I hope punta nga kamo pud maka-learn and give me some inputs. So give me some likes and comments. There's something I have to improve with my content. So please let me hear it. Thank you for watching Trivia Alliance. See you in my next business trivias series. Thank you so much and have a good day.